ओके हाय वेलकम टू अनदर व्लॉग। और मैंने पैक कर लिए थे पनीर स्लाइडर्स बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग समवेयर रियली स्पेशल। जब भी कोई कनाडा में नया नया आता है वी टेक देम टू दिस प्लेस। गेस द प्लेस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। और कनाडा में इतनी जल्दी अंधेरा हो जाता है इन विंटर्स। इट वाज लाइक 7 p.m. बट इट वाज फीलिंग लाइक इट्स 3 p.m. बट एनीवेज एंड समर्स में डेज आर लॉन्गर बट enjoy the ride with me. It's gonna be so beautiful. And the drive is like so beautiful. It's like 1.5 hour from where I live, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride, so let's go. And we are finally here at Niagara Falls, and now we are looking for parking. Well, I actually already know where I'm gonna park my car because जब भी हम Niagara Falls आते हैं we park at that particular parking spot. And then this is off season, so I'm damn sure वहाँ पे किसी ने और park नहीं किया होगा. And continue watching to know where I'm gonna park. And so next time you can park there for so much low price. So we're finally at Niagara Falls. अभी हम चल के जा रहे हैं on the street. It's gonna be so much fun because I remember जब मैं पहली बार Niagara Falls आई थी that it was summer and अभी इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड है. I cannot even tell you. It's like so cold. But it's always good to come here. I really like it in Niagara Falls all the time when I come. Okay, so the fudge factory is actually really fancy. बट उनके डेजर्ट्स इतने ख़राब होते हैं, इतने भद्दे होते हैं, लाइक आई हेट देम. सो आई जस्ट ट्राइड देम वंस. सो इफ यू आर इन नाइग्रा फॉल्स इट लुक्स फैंसी, इट्स टेम्पटिंग टू ट्राई बट इट्स नॉट वर्थ योर मनी. So this is the game section. So if you're like under 19, I guess, you can just come here, spend your money. If you're over 19, I'd better go to casino instead. I couldn't go to Taylor Swift's concert, so she's here for me. Oh no. Now we are going towards the fall. Yeah, this is so pretty. Generally, it's so crowded. यहाँ पर you cannot even stand in summer. Like there is no space. But now it's like so empty. Perks of coming in off season, winter. So this fall is coming from the US. So people from the US come to Canada to see the falls because यहाँ से view ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Technically वो falls US के हैं, but the view is better on the Canadian side. So they just cross the border. So that's the bridge. They cross and then they come to Canada and watch the view. Oh my God, this is so breathtaking. लोग actually वो US Canada का bridge walk करके cross कर सकते हैं and you can also drive obviously. But it's like that easy. नहीं तो India Pakistan is like oh my god army and all, but they here it's nothing. You can just walk and cross the border and you'll be in US. So that's like a perk of living in Canada that you can just go to US whenever you want. और हम भी गए थे एक बार. We went to New York और हमने cross किया था and it's like so chill. Like they didn't ask us anything. It was super chill. But yeah, we got this card and we're gonna play the games. I'm so excited. This is all the things we could get with the tickets, but we only had like 75 tickets, so हम नहीं खरीद सकते थे. So they said the tickets don't expire, so you can come back and then you can claim it. So we're gonna claim it next time because 75 tickets doesn't get you anything. Okay, so this is the giant wheel. This is so pretty. इसमें मैं एक बार ही बैठी हूँ, so I'm not gonna sit on this again. The ticket I think it's around $15 for adult. So it's a good experience. It's a little slow, like it's very slow. So ठीक है, like it's fun for one time thing, but I'm not gonna do it again. क्योंकि मैं किया हुआ है already. And so it's officially Capricorn month. La, 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 la. And January 5th is coming. If you know, you know. So this is Canadian special maple syrup. So this is like the leaf. so pretty. Oh my god. Oh, ये maple caramel candies. What is this? This is butter. Okay. Aww. For dog lovers. तो ये बिल्डिंग हमेशा से टेढ़ी बनी हुई है एंड देयर इज दिस गाय जब मैं पहली बार आई थी गॉट स्केयर्ड लाइक व्हाई इज दिस गाय ऑन द rope and all, but this is fake and there's a limousine. Okay, let's go. So parking spots like these charge you more. Right now it's like $10 क्योंकि अभी off season है, but generally it's like $40 or something, $25-40. I don't remember clearly. लेकिन I have a secret parking space जहाँ पर you only pay like $5. So I have a secret parking spot. I'll tell you the location. So that spot only charges like $5 and you can park even in like full season. It's very cheap than the other parking spots. So you can thank me later and I'll show you my ticket also. मैं ticket दिखाऊंगी and उस पे लिखा होगा like what are the details, so you know better. But if you wanna know the location, there's a restaurant. It's like dhaba on the lake or something. उसके आगे जाके right side पे मुड़ के है ये parking spot, so you can find it there. This is my ticket. You see, I'm paying $5 till 3 a.m. and this is for today. So you know कि it's that cheap. Otherwise I would have paid like $10, which is not a lot right now. But summer के अंदर it makes a major difference. तो हम यहाँ पर फ्यूल डलवाने आए थे and the regular is $0. तो हमें फ्री में फ्यूल मिल गया और वो एक जोक था, उसको सीरियसली नहीं लेने का. हम अभी दूसरे फ्यूल स्टेशन पे हैं फ्यूल डलवाने के लिए, बट if it says $0 that means they don't have fuel at all to give it to us. Generally they give the premium one for the price of regular, but this time they didn't have any. तो अभी हम दूसरे फ्यूल स्टेशन पे आए हैं. Okay, so we are in this restaurant, Desi Road. It's like super fancy, but बाहर से हमें ऐसा लग रहा था कि it's not that great, but it's actually really good. So we are gonna have like chicken kadahi, and then butter paneer masala or something like that. And I'll show you. It looks so fancy. Okay, so we were just leaving and the guy said we have complimentary dessert. It's something called Gavet. I've never tried it before, so let's see how it is. But it was so sweet. Okay. Oh my god. It's nice. It's okay. It's good. Free. Okay, so we have another dessert. Oh my god, I don't know what's happening, but this looks so fancy. I'm gonna show you as well. I am so happy. Okay guys, we have another dessert. Oh my god, I don't know like what's happening. So I'm back home now and I'm gonna go to bed. I already changed my outfit and I removed my makeup, did my skincare, so I'm ready to go to bed. It's already like 3 a.m. But thank you so much for watching my video. That's it for now and I'll see you in another video. So like, share and subscribe, and that's it. Good night. Bye.